we have done? What we have done till now? We have learned about different body parts. Which are your different body parts? Yes, these are body parts. Which are these? Head, eyes, nose, mouth, ears, neck, shoulders, arms, elbow, hands, fingers, chest, abdomen, legs, knees, foot and toes. Now we have so many different body parts, but what we do with that? You know it? I'll show you something. What is this? This is a butterfly. It flies. Which color is this? Which color is this? This is red in color and it is very beautiful. Okay. What is this? This is a sun. What is this? This is a sun. But how can you tell this is a sun or this is a butterfly and it is red in color? How can you say that? You know how? Because we can see with our eyes. With our eyes. We can see lots of things. How can we see? With our eyes. With our eyes. Okay? So, we see with our eyes. We can see different things in the world. You know, if you don't have eyes, you won't see where is your mama or where are your friends. Beautiful colors, rainbow, all the there are different colors in rainbows. Now, sun, all those things you won't be able to see. So, for that, what we need? We need our eyes. Yes, we see with our eyes. We see with our eyes. We'll do reading of function of different body parts on page number 38 in your EVS book. Each part of our body is useful. We see with our eyes. We breathe with our nose. We write with our hands. We eat with our mouth. We hear with our ears. We do so many things with our body parts. Now see in the picture what the boy is doing. I see with my eyes. So we will learn about it. Okay. I write with my hands. I breathe with my nose. I eat with my mouth. I hear music with my ears. Okay? What is this? This is a flower. What is this? It is a flower. Can you feel the fragrance? Yes, the smell of the flower is beautiful. It's very nice, na? It's very nice flower. So you can smell a flower. Okay? Now can you see this? What it is? It's a bad smell coming. This is garbage. From when you pass by a garbage can, what you can see, what you can smell, bad smell. So what we are doing, we are smelling. So how do you smell? You smell with your nose. We smell with our nose. So what does nose help us? Tell the smell. Now mama cooked some delicious food. Now you come to know mama is cooking your favorite food by smelling. So we smell with our nose. We smell with our nose. We smell good smell, na fragrance of a flower. Okay. Have you used perfumes? Perfume. Ah, it's a beautiful smell. How you come to know it's beautiful? By smelling. So we use our nose to smell. Okay, see what is this? It's a orange. What's the taste of orange? Have you like to eat orange? How it is? Tangy taste. How it is? Tangy taste. Now see what I have. This is grapes. What are this? Grapes. What's the taste of grape? Grapes कैसा होता है? खट्टा खट्टा होता है ना? Grapes कैसा होता है? Sour. What it is? Sour. And I have a chocolate. What's the taste of chocolate? It is sweet. What it is? Sweet in taste. But how do you come to know it is sweet? When you eat. When you eat it. Huh? So from which body part which you eat? We eat with our mouth. We eat with our mouth. We eat with our mouth. Okay, like how which thing is sweet, which is sour, है ना? हमें टेस्ट पता चलता है ना, कौन सा खट्टा है, मीठा है, तीखा में तीखा भी लगता है ना, तो हम कैसे पता चलता है? Mouth, through our tongue. Through our tongue we come to know the taste. How do you like when your school get over? Yes, when how do you come to know? Ringing of a bell. So when the bell rings, you comes to know na the school are over. Yes. Now have you heard the sound of a bird? Chopping of a bird. Yes, that is also a sound. So how do we hear? We hear with our ears. We hear with our ears. We hear with our ears. Okay. So we hear different kind of sound. When your mama is calling you, how do you come to know mama is calling you? You hear with your ears. Then what else sound? Okay, somebody is honking now when you go out in your car or bike. So that also a noise. Some noise are very good. Okay, like music. We love to hear to music ना. हमें म्यूजिक सुनना अच्छा लगता है ना, दैट आर गुड साउंड. एंड कोई जोर जोर से चिल्लाता है, हम ऐसे कर लेते हैं ना, वी डोंट वांट टू हियर एनीथिंग, दैट आर बैड साउंड्स. ओके, दैट वी डोंट लाइक टू हियर दैट साउंड्स ना. सो हाउ डू वी कम टू नो? थ्रू आवर ईयर्स. वी लिसन थ्रू आवर ईयर्स. वी हियर through our ears. Okay. Okay, what is I am having in my hands? This is a pen. This is a pen. So I can hold a pen. I can hold a duster. I can hold a duster. And what I can do with the pen? I can write. I can write. So how do we write? Through which I am holding with my hands. What I am holding with? My hands. So we hold things or we write with our hands. We write with our hands. We can hold different things. Yes, we can hold now. I can hold this bottle with my hands. I can hold this pen with my fingers. So we write with our hands. We write with our hands. Okay. And else what we have? we have legs. What we do with our legs? We walk with our legs. We walk with our legs. What we do with our legs? We walk with our legs. So this way we have different body parts and we use it. These are called a, okay? Okay, what is this? This is a flower. We smell. What we do is we smell the flower. So we come to know it's a good fragrance. Okay. So else, what is this? This nose. What is this? This is a nose. We smell with our nose. We smell with our nose. और हम क्या करते हैं नोज के साथ में? हम breathe करते हैं. How we breathe? This is how we breathe ना. So we breathe with our nose. हम सांस लेते हैं ना, तो हम सांस कहाँ से लेते हैं? Nose. We breathe through our nose. Okay.